Going on, guys? I just want to give this little clip just before we start this video today. I just want to let you guys know we have a giveaway starting today. So we are giving away a Ozark Trail tackle tote with one nice tackle box inside. It does not come with any lures or anything, but very small, very light. You can just carry it with you. And I'm going to tell you exactly how you can win this tackle box, or tackle tote, whatever you want to call it. First, you want to subscribe because only subscribers can win. 2, you want to like this video. 3, you want to leave a comment down below telling me your name and that if you want to have it, like what I mean by that is just like enter me so I at least know that that's like one of the comments. And then right in my next video, the name for the winner will be called, and from that I just got to get a hold of you somehow. Just like put your like mailing address or something like in the comments if I call your name. So let's get into this video right now. Alright guys, before we go fishing, we have to make see that I can get that view. We have to make a quick pit stop here at Sportsman's. Alright man, well I just don't know if it's just me, but I just feel like when I usually go into these stores, I just feel like it's just me around here, you know? Just a lot of stuff. I mean, just look at this giant fishing section right here. This whole entire thing right here is the fishing section. I mean, just think of that. But today we are just going to grab some worms here. Just some Canadian night crawlers. I am in the lure section. But let's go do it. Nice 24 pack. Alright guys, so we got the crawlers. Let's go fishing. Alright guys, we have made it to the falls. I'm going to take my bike helmet off here. We have the cam set up. We're rigged up with a little bit of a night crawler rig. Let's see what we can do. I have a little bit of an ultralight setup today. I'm trying to get on some trout. I have not caught some brown trout for you guys yet, so that's what I am trying to do. Basically what I'm going to do, you guys, I'm just going to drop it off this little point. I know you guys probably can't see it. But I'm literally just going to drop it right off this point right here. Get some line off there. Put my bail here. Alright guys, and we're just going to wait for a hit. I'll be back to you as soon as we get one. Alright guys, we definitely may have a fish right here. Yeah, I feel like I'm just keeping moving. Yeah, I bet it's probably from a sucker or a bass. I missed him. We'll drop it off the point again and see what we can get. I hope it's not a sucker. I'm hoping for a nice big trout. That's my goal. Either that or a nice bass. I mean a big one. So, back to you as soon as we get one. That was a false alarm. Alright guys, here we are. We moved a little farther up. I have my rig right here. And I am just going to throw it right off there into the falls. I'm going to let that fall. I'm going to set down my rod. And hopefully, I caught a lot of trout here before. Hopefully, we can have a beautiful hookup ratio. Hopefully, hook up with a good one. Be back to you as soon as we get one. Alright guys, we have a fish right here. It looks like a trout bite. Oh. Well, there we go. Alright guys, we're going to cast again, and I'll get back to you as soon as we got this little bite. And hopefully, this time, we don't miss it. But, I can tell that was a really nice bite. Fish on, guys. Oh, I missed him again. Guys, these fish are so hard to hook nowadays. Like, you have to have the perfect moment. If you don't set it right away, when they hit it, you're gonna miss them. It's super weird. With these brown trout, you have to know the right time. I'll get back to you as soon as we have one. Alright guys, we're getting hit. I don't know if they're committing to it. I'll see what I can do. Alright guys, we're getting nipped again. If you guys would have watched my Canadian fishing trip video, you'd see that I was missing almost every fish. In one of those two videos, you'll see I just missed this one. This isn't turning into the most best day ever, I'll just give it that, but I'll get back to you soon if we get one again. Alright guys, just so you guys can see what's happening here, I am hooking a lot of fish right here, okay? And they're everywhere. I mean, like, they're browns, and I'm literally hooking them right here, and I know they're trout because of how they're biting it. And I know I'm going to get a bite if I every time I set my rod down here, I know I get bites. So I thought I'd get it on camera for you guys. I have to get it in the perfect spot to be able to do it, and that's a little hard too. Sometimes I have to set it down in the perfect spot, get it right, you know what I mean? Alright, something's biting it. Oh, I missed it. Alright guys, there's a nice one down here, I already know that. And he keeps biting me and biting me. And he does not stop. And today, it's a guaranteed because we're catching it. I do not know it. And I do not also care how long this takes. This thing's also like a monster. Oh, took some of my bait too. I gotta rebait. Alright guys, I already had 2 fish on. Couldn't turn the cam on in time, and I feel like I'm getting new bites here. So I'm just gonna lift up my rod. Oh, shit. So I'm just gonna drop it and hold it. You know what, guys? I think I'm gonna throw it right up there. I'm gonna see what will hit that. See if anything happens. I'll get back to you. Alright guys, there's one that keeps coming up and hitting behind the rock over here. It's either a fish or it's the big current. Oh shit. That's a fish. I should set that. Oh dang. Missed him. I should drop it. I'm gonna drop my lure right here in the current. I'm just gonna let the current do its job. There's a fish on it. Something that keeps coming up and biting it. Something, guys. It's coming up and biting my bait, so don't know what it is at all, but I'll get back to you. Alright guys, sorry I was not recording that. I have a white sucker right here. I remember saying to you guys that I hope I do not catch one of these. Nice fish. Looks like he got a little beat up right here. Let's let him go. Beautiful fish, a little small one. Alright, let's get another one. Alright guys, got a big fish right here. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Oh yeah. Come here, bud.
spot. Alright guys, second fish of the day. We have a little white sucker fish right here. Oh god, he's freaking out. His mouth is just like freaking out. But right there, beautiful white sucker fish. I just like to hold them right here under the fins. That's exactly how I like to hold my suckers. Beautiful fish. Really slimy. That's what I don't like about these guys. They're very slimy. This is a white sucker fish, not a long nose. I would like to catch a long nose sucker, but this fish right here is I was hoping for a brown trout again, but I guess that's not going to happen. So, beautiful fish right here. I don't even want to let him go. He's so beautiful. Alright, see you, bud. Alright. Alright, guys. Surprise catch for you guys right here. I never thought I would catch this here. I just caught a catfish. I just caught a freaking catfish. I just caught a brown bullhead catfish. This is a brown bullhead catfish. Oh my gosh. I never thought in a million years I would catch a freaking catfish out of this creek. I got told, be careful of the spines here. They got spines there, and here on the pectoral fins and the dorsal fin. Be careful of these guys. I cannot believe I just caught a catfish. I never thought in a million years I would catch a freaking catfish out of here. Well, now we know that there's catfish in here. So I think I had one of these on earlier. I cannot believe I caught a freaking catfish, you guys. Look at that. Oh my god. I cannot put this thing down. I am so stoked right now. I've been fishing this creek for years and never have I pulled a freaking catfish out of this creek, dude. Oh my god. Alright, well that's my first catfish on camera for you guys. So, heck yeah, dude.